workplace. Next, TypeScript available, and after that, Vue script, vanilla script, something like that. A small replaying of all these things. JavaScript applications runs more faster, and we are performing some less coding operations and more results will get. Interoperability. We can use these things in another technologies, and another technologies we can use in the JavaScript. JavaScript libraries accessing in from other technologies possible. Other technologies libraries accessing in the JavaScript is also possible. And the 2 points are this one: extending the functionality and interoperate. Both same point is, sir. Then only I'm not typed anything else. But direction is the difference, sir. So dynamically typed in the sense, programming is dynamically typed, sir. Variables, arrays, objects, whatever it may be, without defining, we are able to use directly in our programs. Declaration, it's not a primary thing, or declaration, it's not a main thing. Next, loosely typed, sir. Loosely typed. Once if we define a variable or array or an object, that we can store any type of data. In that memory block or in that variable allows to store any type of value. That is called as loosely typed. Cross-platform compatibility, sir. If you develop the applications in one platform, it's also able to run in the another platform. Means even voices are changing, browsers are changing, our client device is changing, still your program is going to running. We don't need to make any changes, no disturbance required in the program. Next. So JavaScript is a single-threaded programming, sir. Basically, it's not multi-threaded, and we don't have any multi-threading feature directly. So many languages we have multi-threaded concept. Java.NET is the purely multi-threaded, sir. JavaScript pure single-threaded. What is meaning of single-threaded, sir? While execution of one task or while running of the certain logic, side by side, another logic execution is not possible. One after one, we can run it. Suppose task A I started, sir. Task A I started. It's not completed, under processing. So side by side, can I start the task B, sir? No, not possible. Task B, if you want to start it, you should be wait for the task A completion. That is called a single threaded program. So it will comes like this. The task, suppose this is task A, and task A is followed by the task B, one after one. Multi-threaded means what, sir? And task A, and side by side you can also start the task B. Both running parallelly like as a railway track, both running. And we'll get the results from the A task and also B task also. But single-threaded, not like that. Whenever it is completed, then this task is going to starting. Next, the small things are here. JavaScript is object oriented and not a sir. Yes, sir, it's an object oriented, but don't call like that. You should be called as a prototype based programming. And the reality, sir, market I think they're calling so many people's object oriented, but really it is not object oriented, it is a prototype based programming, the original structure. And we are going to working with this prototype concept also. One topic, one small topic. The OOPS not supported as sir. Prototyping is the subpart of the OOPS. Prototyping is a subcategory of the OOPS. Object-oriented programming structure. OOPS. In OOPS, we have subflavors, sir. Subcategories are available. In that subcategories, prototype is one of the subcategory. But we don't know what is prototype, sir. Yes, sir, we don't know. The future discusses. But up to that point, remember, JavaScript is which type of programming, sir? We can say simply it is a prototype-based programming. If anybody they argued it's an object-oriented, sir. Yes, why unnecessary energy wasting? Oops, only just simple word I put. Your energy don't waste it. Next. As per yesterday's explanations, JavaScript is by birth, it is a client side. But JavaScript can also do the work in server side also. I clearly mentioned that point yesterday. What we are going to learning, sir, and our subject is only client side. In future, if you attend any of these courses, so you're also getting the knowledge about the server side JavaScript also. As a front end, only front end programming comes, sir. Back end programming not comes. When you're learning the back end technologies, back end programming comes. ASP.NET candidates, you are learning JavaScript server side programming inside your ASP. PHP candidates also that one. But Java candidates, sir, bad luck. Server side JavaScript not comes anywhere in your Java. You have to learn separately as per your interest అంతే. అది మీ బ్యాడ్ లక్ అంతే. .NET, Python, PHP అయితే server side JavaScript also comes. And in originally JavaScript not available. That is the meaning. And a servlet available, sir. Servlet not supports JavaScript. That's the problem. ASP supports JavaScript, PHP supports JavaScript, but servlet not supports the JavaScript. Then only a server side scripting is missing. JSP supporting, but you are not going to using the JSP. Very common thing. Most of Java developers JSP not using as a general. Yeah, okay, leave it. Huh? Huh? ఫుల్ స్టాక్ కరెక్టే సార్. మీ జావా సపోర్ట్ చేయనప్పుడు ఫుల్ స్టాక్ అయినా, హాఫ్ స్టాక్ అయినా, క్వార్టర్ స్టాక్ అయినా వేస్ట్ కదా. యువర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ నాట్ సపోర్టెడ్ అది. ఫర్ దట్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ అయితే వాట్, హాఫ్ స్టాక్ అయితే వాట్, మీనింగ్ ఈస్ దట్ వాట్.